How to recover Instagram account without phone number or password or email address. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix this problem. So guys, if you try to log in with this account, this is my old account and then it is disabled, and you can see here my username or password is wrong. Then if you don't have the phone number or email address, then I mean, let me just show you what you have to do. Okay, so just you need to go to your Chrome or Google, and then here you have to write Instagram hacked. Okay, after writing this, the first option, you can see my Instagram was hacked. Just click on it, and then here you'll get one option, that is this one. So now here what you need to do is that you have to enter your username, phone number or email address. Okay, so I am entering my username and then click on next option. After clicking on next, what you need to do here, I'm going to show you. Here you can see, yes, take a selfie video to confirm my account. So here you have to click on continue option. Okay, after clicking to continue option, you have to, this is the one. So here, if you have any password you remember, you can apply, or you can, after this you need to give a your photo or selfie, and then after that Instagram will verify and then you'll get your account back. So this is a very simple process. Thanks for watching.